Hi learners, in this video we are going to see about the intensity transformations in the image processing. So here this is the formula g of x comma y equal to t of f of x comma y. So here f is an input image and g is the output image. So f of x comma y is the intensity value of a particular position x comma y, and here in this value we are going to apply some transformation function and store it in the same position in the output image. So in this session we are going to see what are the transformation functions are available. So here three transformation functions we are going to see. One is image negatives, log transformation, power law transformation with the implementation. So first one is an image negative. So here L is an number of intensity levels in the image. So here last value is named as a L minus 1. So 0 to L minus 1. So here just you are picking the each value, each intensity value in the input image and subtract from the maximum intensity value in the image. Then we will get an value for the output image. So now we see the example. So here I implemented using the applet viewer. So this is an original image. This time I am going to select the original image. This is a original image. So first convert into a gray image. So gray negative only we are going to see gray negative. So this is a original color image converted into a gray image. And then this is the negative image. Now we see about the coding. Okay. So this part, this is for converting into a gray image. So here image input is an input image stored in the img input variable. So here width we are getting the width, height, and then creating a one array. So that is with the width and height to store the input values, that pixel array. And image gray is the output image. So for the gray image. So here we are creating the object for that image gray. So from this part, so for two loops are there. So it's a two-dimensional. So here we are taking the So take the RGB value of each pixel and then take the red value separately, green value separately and blue value, and then take the average of red, green and blue and then store it in the IV. So this intensity value, this IV is the value for our gray image. So using this IV we are creating a new color and set that color as a pixel value for the output, that is gray image, output of gray image in the particular position x comma y. So this is for creating a gray image. And next in the P of x comma y, using this P of x comma y we are going to see the negative value, creating a negative value. So this part. So here the same thing, creating the output image. For image output, this is for storing our that is negative image. So here P of x comma y is the intensity value of the input image, that is R value, and here 255 is the maximum value, intensity value in our image. So I subtract this intensity value from 255, that is a maximum value, and store it in the S, and using this S just I created a new color and set it as output to the output value to our output image, that is negative image. So that's all for creating the image. So we see the output once again. So this is our original image, this is the gray image, taking the each pixel value and then store it in the subtract with the maximum intensity value and store it in the output image. So now we see about the next transformation function. This is a log transformation function. So similarly, instead of that 255, that is L minus 1, that maximum intensity value minus our input intensity value. This is for image negative. So here the same that intensity value, just we are going to apply a formula. C log of 1 plus R, and here C is a constant and R should be a greater than or equal to 0. So here we will get a intensity value. So here what happened is, so the low intensity value, the range will be a wider, it becomes wider. So for this also we see the output. Now we see the output image, output for the log image. So this is the output of log transformation. Just I am opening the file. Now convert into a gray image and then transformation. So here the values, intensity values are widely spread in log transformation. This is the coding for log transformation. So the same thing, converted into a gray image, and then here this part, just applying the value math dot R is the input image, and then this is a constant value. We can use this constant value, any value, just depends on the our input image. We can change this constant value, and then just here for the purpose, just I put this. If it is a greater than the maximum level, then I make it as a upper limit, and if it is a less than the lower level, and then make it as a lower value, and then creating a color object using this intensity value and make it as a input for set the pixel value for that output image. So this is a log transformation. So see once again. So opening the image, gray image and log transformation. So next we see about the next level, next intensity transformation, that is a gamma transformation. So here also the same thing, we are going to apply a gamma, that is one of the positive constant, that is power of the intensity value. So depends on the gamma value, the values may be changed. So here if it is a greater than 1, then we will get a bright image. If it is a less than 1, then we will get a low image. So example, now we see our example. Opening the same image, gray and then gamma transform. So here you can see a value very minutely. So it is very low intensity level. Value is very low intensity level because my gamma value is very 0.6. Suppose if I make this value as 1.6, now see the difference. Now you can find the difference. So when you are increasing the gamma value, our intensity, our image will be a move to the brighten side, that is higher intensity level. So if we decrease the value, then it will be a reduced in the intensity value. So this is used mainly, this transformation is used for the pre-processing. So depend on our applications, in what purpose we are going to use this, we are going to process the image, we can choose that transformation for make a result, for giving a better result. So far we have seen about the intensity transformation, three type of intensity transformation: image negative, log transformation and power law transformation, which is mainly used as a pre-processing for processing our image to get a better result. Thank you.